Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to take you on a walk around the Bad Bank app here. So this is the landing page. It's pretty simple, just title and an image. Come up here to the nav bar. We'll see the home page, create account, login, balance, withdraw, deposit, and all data links, and they all have tooltips to them there. So let's just cruise through these pages real quick, see what we got going on. Here's the create account page. See we have the title, and input for the name, email, password, and a button to create the account. And here we have the login page. See here we have an input for the email and password, button to log in, and the title of course. And for the create account and the login page, I did not use a form component. I managed to do what I needed to do with just simple inputs, so I just stuck with that and went with it, and it worked out really well for me in the end, so I just kind of kept going with it. Anyway, to continue on, we got the balance, withdraw, and deposit pages here, and as you can see, they have the prompt, please log in to continue, so they require a user to be logged in to access them. And that was a big challenge that I had to overcome. It was definitely pretty tricky figuring out what to display to the user when and how to track when the user is logged on. So that was a little tough, but I watched along with the videos and referenced a lot of the code that I did while I was taking notes, and that helped me kind of put two and two together and figure out at least one way to do it. I'm sure there's more ways to go. Anyway, continuing on. So the last page we have here is the all data page, and this displays the user's data. So this is the user context that will actually get passed to the components, and so that kind of lets them know who's logged in and what's going on with their account. So we have that there. We'll get started and see how everything works. Here we have the create account page. We have the name, email, and password fields. We'll see here I haven't entered anything, so the create account button has been disabled. So let's just get started creating a user. And we want to make sure that all fields are filled out. So if I try and create an account without a name, you'll see I got an error there. And if I try and create one without an email, you see I also get another one. And same goes for the password as well. And in addition to, the password must also be 8 characters. So if I make one that's 7, you'll see this new error here that it must be 8. So go ahead, make that 8 and hit the create account button. We see success message. I'll hit this add to another account button. You'll see that the form has cleared, and we can create another user if we want to. I'll just pop over here to the all data page so you guys can see what's going on. You see this new user Mo we just created has been added in. You see they have a balance of 100, and the logged in status is false. So we still have nobody logged in. We'll see here deposit, withdraw, and balance pages are all inaccessible. So next thing we'll do is we'll just go on and log in as that user we just created. And we'll see here if I try and log in without a password, it'll let me know that that field is empty. And if I enter the wrong password, it'll let me know that it's incorrect as well. So we'll go ahead, put the right password in, hit the login button. We'll see now we got this welcome message and the option to log out. I'll just pop over here. Oh. And now you'll see now that we've logged in, we cannot create any new users. And I've included a hyperlink here. Take you back to the login page to log out if need be. But now that we are logged in, we can view the balance, deposit, and withdraw pages. So we'll pop over here to the balance page first. It's the simplest. It just displays the account balance here. I've also included some links to the withdraw and the deposit page. And it uses that by reading it from the user's context. That's listed here in the all data page. You'll see that Mo is now user 0 and the logged in status is true. So we'll come back here to the balance page and we'll use the hyperlink to go to the withdraw page. And we have this input here. And you'll see here also that it displays the balance. So we are going to withdraw some money. You'll see I haven't put anything in yet so that the button is disabled. And if I try and enter a negative number, I get the error that I need to enter valid amount. Also, because this is number input, I cannot add anything that is not a number. So no matter how hard I try to type, nothing is going to appear in that box. So we'll go on ahead and we'll add a valid number that we can take out at $96 and we'll hit withdraw. We'll see success message that the withdrawal was successful. We'll hit the button and come back and see the balance is updated and there's only $4 left in the account. So now if I try and take out, say I want to take out $5. When I get to 4, it'll let me know the withdrawal amount cannot exceed the account balance. So it's kind of got overdraft protection already built into it. That's pretty cool. So we'll pop over here to the deposit page next. Similar to the withdraw page, again, if nothing has entered, the deposit button is disabled. And if I come over here, I cannot enter a negative number, but I can enter a positive number. Put $50 in there. I'll hit the deposit button. We'll see a success message, so the deposit was successful. We'll see here that the balance is now $54. And if we pop over here, we'll see that the balance for Mo is now $54 and logged in status is true. So now that I'm done, I'll pop over here back to log out. I'll hit log out. And now we'll pop back to all data and you'll see that the logged out status is false. If I come over here to create account, I can create another account. I can log in, but the balance, withdraw, and deposit pages are all prompting me to please log in to continue. So that about wraps up my little walkthrough of the Bad Bank app. There's a couple things that I want to do with the styling, and it's definitely very plain. It could use some more features. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with the result. But thank you for checking it out.